going to talk about what is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is just another way to free yourself from 9 to 5 or create an extra income for yourself or your family. So, is this affiliate marketing for you? You probably have questions in your head, right? So, if you like to earn more money, to earn extra income, then this is for you. For me, affiliate marketing is for everybody. You can be full time, part time, and you can be any age. If you like to do this kind of stuff, like to make incomes in, if you're at 10, 11, and you understand the business, this is for you. Like hands down, this is for you. So let's dive in. What actually affiliate marketing? So in the basic definition, affiliate marketing is an online sales tactic that lets a product owners increase sale by allowing others targeting the same audience. Or another word is it's a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing or promoting another person or company's product. For example, if you are an affiliate, you sell something for a company pay you commission. That is affiliate marketing. So basically, you make a commission, not technically sell someone product, but you're promoting it, and you let them. Basically, you get the traffic to their site, and they make sale, and you make money out of it. So that is a basic strategy for that affiliate marketing. So you have to ask the right question if this actually for you. Productivity. Do you have an hour or two to make a couple useful education videos? If the answer is no, might not be for you. The thing is that you don't need to show your face when you do educational video. You can just make a PowerPoint like I'm doing now, and then just walk through it and talk through bullet points or whatnot that educate people or bring value to your audience. Conversation. Would you be able to reply, comment to your audience? If you don't have time to your audience, you don't put the time and the value to them, then they're not gonna stick with you. That's where the money is. You want to be connected with your audience. Certification. You want to create a situation that is a win-win situation. Your goal is to make money, right? And to your audience, it's like they satisfied with the product or service that they bought. So you want to make sure that the products or a product you bought is not a scam, or like a lot of people would say that. But yeah, it's like a true useful product. Talk about career. Would you make this a full-time, part-time? I mean, you pick on that. If you have a full-time job right now, I wouldn't recommend you to quit. I would recommend you to start as a side hustle, start a little bit at a time. And then when you start to gain momentum that you can replace your full-time income, then it's time for you to jump off the boat and take the island. The last thing to talk about is health. If you think become an affiliate is increase your stress level, or you're hating the process, you don't like to make video, you don't like to provide value to people, then this is not for you. So you have to think about this. Ask the right question, you get the right answer. Let's say that this answer for this question are yes. Then you want to move on to the next thing, right? Your goal. For you to reach your goals, you have to have a certain task for you to meet that goal. So you have to write down, create a plan, prioritize your tasks to get your goals. In the business, you have a lot of tasks to do. So I recommend you do all of them so you know how to do them before you authorize people to do that work for you, like outsource it for the tasks that you don't like to do. For example, if you don't know how to create a logo, or make like a sale video, you will hire someone to do it. Let's say you don't really good at copywriting, you hire someone on fire to do that. They're pretty reasonable price too. But my recommendation is just practice do it yourself, so you know the business inside and outside before you turn it to someone else to do it for you. And lastly, of course, that's where the landmine is, right? Make money. You want to monetize your plan, your value, your offer to the audience. That when make sale and start making that dollars. Okay, so now it's time that you agree that you want to do this. You want to become an affiliate of certain products. You have to pick your own niche, your own, you're not your own products, but the product that you want to promote, that you believe in. Like it's easier for you to promote something that you believe in. For example, if you go to a restaurant and you had a fantastic spaghetti and meatball that you never ever had before, then you believe in a product that was really good. So now you can tell your friends and family, like, hey, you should go try to do this. Go get to this restaurant. Spaghetti and meatball is so amazing. Like the way you promote that product, it was so passionate. Then your friend and family start want to try it out because they believe you. So this is the same thing, the same idea that you believe in that product you promoting, and you want to pick your niche, like what you want to go through, fitness, relationship, or you know making money online. So there's a lot of niche that you can go through, or you can just specify down to the smallest. That's totally up to you. But you have to think about, like, is it unique? If it's unique, it make it easier because it kind of like separate themselves from other products, so that uniqueness make it's easier for you to make money out of it. And let's say if it's not unique but it's not saturated and you first to the market, then you have a higher chance to succeed before anyone else. Third, you want to taste the product, like I mentioned about try the restaurant, right? You tried it, you love it, you share it. So you taste the product, you love it, you see the value of it, you share with your audience, bam, money coming in. Be authentic is the most important thing. Like, people like to connect with the real people. They don't want that fake sale guy or sale girl that it's the end game is just to make money, not really care about would you get the value of it. So you want to be authentic, be real, be you, and be honest. So now, how can you really make money or make a sale out of that? Because 70% of the time they go see it, but they don't really go buy it right away. So you want to have this like resistible offer, right? You want to have like, why do they want this? You want to give them the benefits, the value of this product or service that you offer them. And then you have to show them like what the benefit, what the country, prove a testimonial to prove that this is a good product or service that you have tried and offer to your family or friends, or even put on your blog or your websites. So all of this, we know now what is affiliate marketing is, and we know now, hopefully by now, if you want to do this. And I don't see why wouldn't you want to do it. It's simple concept of the business model, which the next video I'm going to talk about the business model and how we can apply to this marketing. So, like I said, the summary, the end game here. So we all want to make money. But the way we want to make money, we want to be authentic, you want to be honest, you want to be transparent with your audience. And most importantly, you want to connect with your audience consistently. Like if you, it's just like a date, right? If you like went out on a date for the first date, you have a great time, but then you never call them back or contact them back, it will die out, right? That relationship, it will die away, and it's gonna be hard for you to reconnect it with them. Just like your friend, when you kind of like, it's hard to reconnect with someone again when you lost this connection. So I want to thank you for listening. And if you are ready to take an action to start becoming an affiliate, this is a link below here. You can see on the screen here that will help you start. It's only $7 for you to like start the challenge. It's called 15-day business challenge. Click on that. It will help you see more clear if this business is for you. I'm telling you right off the bat, it's gonna be a lot of work, but any business, you're gonna have to put the work in. And if you see this I have provide value to you, please like video and subscribe it. And the next video, I'm gonna talk more about the business portal and how to become affiliate for Amazon, Target, and Walmart, and so forth. So I love y'all. You can connect with me, put a comment in, email me. I will answer any question you guys have. And for now, I hope you guys have a great day and be legendary. Give the value to the world. You feel good about yourself. Love y'all.